I've been thinking about changing the body on the straight trucker. So I went to the hobby store today and I found this. It's a military jeep, but it's a bit too short. That fits very nice this way, and on the box it looks like this. I'm gonna try to get something out of it. I think I need to cut it here and make it longer. So I'll see what I come up with. I think this will be really cool. Planning to paint it military green. I got some paint today. Here is military green I got today, and this should look like natural steel, it says. So I have some work to do. I think I'm gonna use some parts from the kit. It has seats, scale seats here, and interior. Yes. I'm gonna see what I can do with it. Okay, to be continued.